In this video, I'll be showing you how to sell clothes on Roblox mobile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
From here, it's going to look like this, and on the left, you're going to see more with those three little dots. So just go ahead and click on that, and then from here, you're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to go ahead in the middle and click create right here. Then from here, it's actually going to open up a browser. It's going to have create.roblox.com, and then once you're here, all you want to do is scroll down from the home section, and then you're going to see explore creator hub. It's going to have a lot of different options, but the first one you're going to see is create an avatar item. It says create avatar items and publish it to marketplace. So just go ahead and click on that right here. Then it's going to let you upload an asset. Now you can have a filter, so you can have classic t-shirts, classic shirts, or classic pants. So we're just going to do classic t-shirts, and it's going to upload an asset. It can only be one asset. These are the different file types it can be, and it can only be a maximum of 20 megabytes, which obviously for an image is completely fine. So just go ahead and upload asset. It's going to open up this area right here, and then again you can just upload it. It's going to ask you to use a image of your choice. So for this example, I'm just going to be using this logo right here, but again you can choose anything you want. Really, you can name it anything you want as well, and give it a description up to 1000 characters, and then all you're going to want to do is click upload right there, and then all you're going to want to do is click upload right here. So then once you do, as you can see, it's uploaded. Right now it's off sale, so if I want to press these three little dots right here, I can basically just change if it's on sale, anything like that, change the thumbnail as well.